It's all new at 6, springtime, and that means it's time for buzzing insects to make a return to the area, but sometimes too many can create a potentially dangerous situation. WREG's Dennis Turner introduces us to one man who made it his mission to be a friend to insects and man alike.
Cindy Lancaster stopped dead in her tracks as she left the dentist's office.
It's scary. I thought I was fixing to get stung.
She saw a swarm of bees in the small tree just a couple of feet from the parking lot. Bee expert Tim Durham says bee swarming season has just started.
Just started to do their swarming, and they swarm this time of the year, and this is the way they multiply.
A swarm like this looks intimidating, even dangerous, but experts say there's really very little risk to people. Believe it or not, bees are at their most peaceful when they're swarming. The only way most of us are likely to get stung is if we go up and bother them. Durham says if you see a swarm, don't go near it.
Don't bother them. Don't throw at them. Just call a beekeeper, and a beekeeper be happy to come out and save them and put them in the beehive.
He says an empty hive and a little smoke will coax them into a comfortable new home. Durham says it's important to keep healthy bees alive because disease kills millions of them all the time.
30% of the bees are dying every year, and 1/3 of the food that we eat is a result of the honeybees.
That's because they pollinate crops so they can grow.
Yeah, I think it's great that he's over there, like, fixing to get stung, and it's making me want to leave.
Because most of us still find these buzzing stingers intimidating.
I hope he gets paid very well.
It may not pay well, but Durham admits it is a sweet job. In South Haven, Dennis Turner, WREG News Channel 3.